Welcome to this tutorial on how to remove your tags from all photos and videos on Facebook using your PC. With the latest updates, managing your digital presence on Facebook has become more streamlined. Let's dive into the simple steps to untag yourself from all those unwanted photos and videos. First, open Facebook on your web browser and log into your account. Once you're logged in, click on your profile photo located at the top right corner of the page. This will open a drop-down menu where you can access your account settings. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy and then click on Activity Log. This section allows you to view and manage all your Facebook activity, including posts, comments, and tags. In the Activity Log section, look to the left-hand menu under your Facebook activity. Here, you'll find the option Activity You're Tagged In. Click on this to view all the posts where you've been tagged. Now, to specifically focus on photos and videos, click on Photos and Videos You're Tagged In. This will filter the results to show only the media content where you've been tagged. To untag yourself from all these photos and videos at once, check the box labeled All at the top of the list. This will select every photo and video where you're tagged. Next, click on the Remove Tags button. You'll be prompted to confirm this action, so make sure you're ready to remove all these tags. Once you confirm, your name will be removed from all the selected photos and videos. Remember, removing tags doesn't delete the posts themselves, it simply removes your association with them. This is a great way to tidy up your Facebook profile and ensure that only content you're comfortable with is linked to your account. By following these steps, you can easily manage your tags on Facebook and maintain a profile that reflects your preferences. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.